Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. So now it's time for Who Took SUMFEST Episode 3. So the competition is between Govana, Masicka, and now it's Vybz Kartel's turn. So people were disappointed with Vybz Kartel's performance, out of breath, using tracks, whatever. Then there's people saying, well, you know, he's sick, so we got to give him a blight, but we just crowned him king. So what do you guys think? Now Kartel has this quote-unquote King of Dancehall title. Did he perform like a King of Dancehall? You be the judge. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Keep your comments below.
You got his head from me, a little boy. 666 any guy, any guy, any 6 foot, 6 feet, 60 supply. Shoot like a house, look here supply, when the Spanish show, knock on the place of money. What are you flying car? We ain't got the sky, but it's up on a large house, so when it's outside. Pause. Ooh, that is the king of. We just a warm up. Ready now. Drop that.
When you see me on the Gaza,
Javin Sinadea, sing part, go! Say don't no, where you make the smarty go. Jump, turn it up. The boy got 419 pound speed dial. The time was just take a child program, man. You should have looked some pussy. You should have rubbed it to the sergeant and the corporal. Chavinci, empty the 40 cap. That fully up a hot metal. Brandon it of a lethal. Boy! Pull up. People, when they even know me feel good for there. This bag of touring with them at the Grinch them off my pan. Can't drink, can't